Hey guys, so today is going to be quick and easy makeup. I thought I would do something like this because normally when I do a get ready with me video or a tutorial, the video is like 40 minutes long. So I thought, hey, what I should do is just show a video using minimal makeup. And by the way, just got out of the shower, obviously, did that conditioning treatment in my hair that I told you guys about. I just want to give you an update. So I just did it for the second time, and if you missed the original video where I talked about that, basically you just take the juice of a fresh lemon, mix it with some coconut oil, and it's supposed to return your gray hair back to its original color. Well, I don't think that's what it's doing. My gray roots are still there, and they don't look like they've changed color at all. What it has done is it's like a deep conditioning treatment because of the coconut oil, but then because of the lemon juice, it's putting bright gold highlights all throughout my hair. So it's changing the dyed part of my hair, but it's not changing the gray part, which is what I was trying to do in the first place. But you know what? I really wanted to give this a fair shot, so I'm doing it once a week, and I'm going to do it for a month, so I'll do it like 4 times. And then at the end of the month, we'll compare the beginning photos that I showed you in that other video to whatever it looks like after a month, just to see what happens. And then when that month is over, I'll have to either color my hair again or let it grow out and go gray, white, or some other third choice that I'm not thinking of right now. Okay, so quick and easy makeup. Let's get right into it. First, let me tie back my hair so that I'm not playing with it the whole time. So we ended up getting 20 inches of snow. So we are buried out there. Well, we're not buried actually. My husband shoveled, but yeah, there's a lot out there. And there's supposed to be another storm next week, which is bad because then there isn't going to be any place to put it. Alright, so 9 products is all I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my lips. I'm just going to use this Burt's Bees Pumpkin Spice lip balm that I got during the holiday period. And this was limited edition, but smells and tastes a lot like pumpkin pie. I like it. And then my trusty Hard Candy Sheer Envy Coconut Water Primer Stick. Love this. And Hard Candy is only available at Walmart. And I'm going to use an It Cosmetics at Ulta Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush in number 101. So I just swirl that onto the stick. I'm pretty liberal with this too. It gives you a really nice cooling, moisturizing sensation. My face got extra conditioned and moisturized today because when I do that hair treatment, a lot of the oil starts drizzling down onto my face, and I keep a paper towel next to me. You have to leave it on your hair for an hour. I keep a paper towel next to me, and I keep dabbing at all the oil that keeps running down my face. But, you know, in the meantime, I guess my face is getting conditioned too. It's very difficult to get out of my hair, though, when I wash it out. So I shampooed my hair twice, and it still felt like the oil was in there. So sometimes I have to wash it again the very next day just to get the residual oil out. Which, you know, normally I don't wash my hair every day, so. Alright, so as you can see, I put a very generous amount of this primer on. I don't know, I really like it. And I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation. My shade is 160 Warm Peach. And just gonna give that a few shakes. And I'm just gonna put some of that right on the same brush. I do one pump, one full pump, and do 1/2 of my face. And I'm gonna definitely do over the whole eye area as well. It's especially important to do that today because this is going to be a no makeup look. Okay, one more pump to do the other side. So my husband didn't have to go to work yesterday because of the storm, so I'm all screwed up. Now it feels like a Monday, and of course it's not. But you know, when we're all a creature of habit, so if you veer away from your normal routine, it messes you up. Plus we had the time change too. Although I find that one a lot easier to deal with. The spring ahead one doesn't seem to faze me. It's when we fall behind in the fall, that's the one that I can never get used to the time change on. Okay, so I'm just blending this extra since I'm not going to be doing anything special to it or using sometimes I put a little bit more on, but this is a no makeup look, so just one pump on each side. And the next thing I'm going to use is concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I mix shades C1 and C3 because C1 is too light, C3 is too dark, C2 is too yellow, so I just mix C1 and C3. So what I do is I'm going to wipe off the excess off the doe foot applicator. I'm just going to put some of each on there. Yeah, this is a really heavy-duty foundation, so that's why I don't think it'd be a good idea to not wipe off the doe foot applicator, especially where I'm doing applications from 2 different shades. Same brush, blend that in good, and take the excess onto the entire eye area. So between the foundation and the concealer, that's going to cover up any veining and discoloration that's in that eye area. Alrighty. And the next product I'm going to use is my Jordana Sculpt and Go Creamy Contour Stick, and this is in the shade Light. You can find this at Walgreens or any store that sells Jordana. I'm going to suck in my cheek and see how it makes a mark right there. Right above where that mark starts. Just go up like an inch. Right about there. And that's going to be my starting point for my contour. And then I'm going to go up at an angle towards my hairline, just like that. And then blend it. Blend it up right into the hairline. It's funny because years ago, blush would have been the essential. If you were cutting down your products and only using a certain amount, most people would have just used a blush. But now I feel like contour is the more important product of the 3 products that you would normally use right here. Contour, blush, highlight. If I'm going to skip products, I'm going to give up the blush and the highlight and leave the contour because I just love the way the contour, you know, looks with my face. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to use is going to be eyeliner. Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Fever. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to smudge this right along the lower lash line. And I'm just kind of like skipping along. I'm kind of going like dot, dot, dot. I'm not drawing a line or anything like that. I'm just kind of dabbing it right at the roots. Then I'm going to take this Zoeva pencil brush. It's got a very small tip on it, and I'm going to blend it. Just like that. Now I'm going to go on the tight line, the upper waterline. And this I am going to slide it over. And do the same on the other eye. Geez, you never know. We had a storm yesterday now. It's so beautiful out there. It's sunny, and I keep hearing massive amounts of snow just sliding down the roof of my house. Okay, so it just went dot, dot, dot across there and smudge it out. All right, now how symmetrical is it? Pretty symmetrical. This one here doesn't have quite as much at the beginning, so maybe just put a tiny bit more towards the beginning and smudge. There we go, now it's even. All right, I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is a Shiseido eyelash curler. This used to freak me out when I saw people do this. It looked like some kind of torture device. But it's funny, once you get used to doing it, it's no big deal anymore. Now I'm like, why did I resist the idea of doing that? I feel like as I get older, my lashes are less and less curled on their own. My eyes are watering like crazy today. Ugh. Okay. Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Big thumbs up. My favorite Benefit mascara to date. And I can actually do the lower lashes and have them not get smudged. Alright, the next product I'm going to use is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. Just did a review on this. I think that was my was that my last video? No, second to last video. Okay, so when you take the applicator out, you're going to wipe off as much product as possible. This is some potent stuff. And I'm going to go about the halfway point and start working my way outward. And then go back towards the beginning. And then grab the separate brush that comes with it, spoolie, and start blending that out. And that looks pretty good. I don't think I'm going to have to touch that up or fix that in any way. That came out just about the way I wanted. Now here's hoping the other one comes out the same way. I'm going to try working with what's left on the brush, because if I dip back in, it might be too much. So yeah, let's try to just use what's there. I don't want one to be darker than the other. So I can just press down a little bit harder with this second brow. Okay, maybe a little bit more at the beginning there. Okay, that's pretty good. So one applicator worth of product will do both your brows without dipping back in. Okay, on my lips, I'm going to use my e.l.f. lip plumper. And what this does is it's just a clear cinnamon scented flavored lip plumper. And it's going to stimulate the blood flow in my lips and make them a deeper shade of my natural lip color. So you can skip lipstick if you want to and just use this. It stings just a tiny little bit, but it's not going to be something that you can't handle, but it stings a little bit. So you can see that the color got a little bit deeper, but it's that nice natural, whatever your lip color is, but enhanced a little bit. So that is it, you guys. That's my no makeup look. You know, maybe if you want to make it even more no makeup-y, you could skip the eyeliner maybe, but I don't know. I really wouldn't want to skip any of these products. 9 products is about as minimal as I want to get. So that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.